Have you ever wondered how they make videos like this? Do you think they literally placed each block one by one? If you answered yes, you're wrong. Take a closer look at the blocks in their inventory. There's only one kind of block. Today I'm going to show you how it's done and how you can start your own channel like this and gain subscribers. In this video, I'll first teach you how to do it using only a mobile phone. Let's get started.
Hello guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert any image into Minecraft pixel art like the one behind me. To convert any image to pixel art, we need to use this app called PhotoCrafter. Now let's start by opening your Play Store. Search for PhotoCrafter. Choose the first one. Then click Install. After installing, don't open yet. Open Chrome and look for any image you wanted to convert to pixel art. To save the image, just long press and hit the download image. Change the extension name from .jpeg to .jpg. You can also rename it if you want. Since you now have the image you wanted to be converted, it's now time to open the app we installed. Click Load from Gallery and choose the image you wanted to be converted. To change the pixel art size, just click this logo and put the number you want. You can leave it blank for the default size. And to generate, click the Generate button. Now it's time to import to Minecraft. Click OK, and once it sends you to a folder, just press back or go back to cancel this method. Now it will show you another method you can do. Let's choose Create World, and choose the world type you want. For now, I will choose Flat World. You can rename the world if you want for easier to find. Now click the world. Place the pixel art from the world you created. After placing, just click the check button. Then select Minecraft. And wait for the notification that your world is finished import successfully. Let's try to open the world. And now you have a Minecraft pixel art. Show it to your friends and let them be amazed.